Look at our view. Or look at our view. This is what we're going to be going down. Would you like to have a closer picture? Now, you're probably curious what we're probably going to be going down with. Well, the question is...
What you just saw for is that, because it didn't look steep when we were filming down. And in a moment, we're going to go down again, and then later we're going to build a jump. That's Griffin.
Yeah. Right now?
Yeah, right now. Da-na-na-na.
Da-na-na-na. Da-da-da-da. Da-na-na-na.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, it's going.
Woo.
Alright.
Okay, ready?
Blast off!
Griffin's about to surf down the hill. Go. Okay, Griffin's about to go again.
This one's gonna work.
Okay, Griff. Would it be better if you just had a snowboard?
This'll work. Yeah!
Griffin's about to try to do a flip.
Without anything.
Yeah, without anything. Go. Griffin's about to do another flip.
Alright, Patrick, you better move back because I'm not gonna.
Okay, whoa!
Are you taping it?
No, not anymore. Oh shit. Okay. Griffin's about to surf down the thing again. Go ahead.
Oh God, my shoulder. Dang, my arm. That's cool.
You okay, Griff?
Yeah, let's do that again.
Okay.
This time? Oh, my shoulder. Yeah, my wrist. Alright. Alright, this time. Alright, this time I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, okay. Griffin's gonna slide down it. Okay, go ahead. Go.
It's like Rick.
Well, can you do that again? I missed you. I was like up here when you were down there.
Alright, sure.
Okay.
Oh, I got a sweet idea.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
I tried to land on it.
Okay, go.
It's raining.
Go!
Sorry. It almost worked. Patrick is now going down on his tummy. We'll see how this works.
You never got it? Okay, now it is.
I got it.
Okay, turn it off, turn it off.
I did that.
It's on! Did you miss it?
What do you want to do? Just what do you want to do? Well, we're going to jump off for the belly. Or just do like a trick.
On the belly?
Yeah.
Okay, both.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Grant!
Hold on, leave the camera on. Leave the
Stop!
camera.
I can't get up! I can't see. Go up at the same time.
Dude, you fly out. You can try to Oh, that was scary.
Okay, it's on. So just once we go off, then we just keep on running up. But you have to wait for me because I'm slow.
Okay.
Alright. 1. That won't be possible. Alright, 1, 2. Oh my head! I hit.
Move the sled. Move the sled.
Dang.
Don't swear. Because then I'll have to beep it out again.
Yes!
What?
Okay. Just do your own trick now.
So I want to be over here this time.
Alright, go ahead. Go.
You're over there.
Just go. We're not going at the same time.
Okay. Go.
Oh, God. You hear the impact? Oh, mother. Hey. Ow.
Let's make really that sound.
Ooh, I got it. Oh, my knee.
Oh, go on.
You gotta do 360 now, Huggy.
Okay.
Don't even go. If you touch me, like, anywhere.
Okay, Greg. I've got code.
1, 2, 3. It landed on me. Oh, crap. Oh, my leg. You stupid idiot. Ow.
You didn't tell me which way we were gonna 360.
Well, you didn't ask.
Okay, then. What are we gonna do?
Here, get out. I'll show you. Here. Take your helmet.
Okay, which way? Okay, that way. So you go. I swing you.
No, you swing me that way. I swing you that way. 1. No, wait. You gotta go like that.
No, but I gotta go like this.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, God! Oh, I landed on a rock. Holy mother. Oh, my arm. Oh, dang it.
Okay, come on, Greg.
That hurt.
Fine, you can throw me now.
Okay. That'd be awesome. I get to throw you.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, fine.
See you later.
You throw me. That way. Like.
Wait, I threw you last time.
No. I threw
Yeah.
you.
Nah. Remember, I threw you that way.
No.
You throw me.
I just did throw you.
No, you didn't.
Fine.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, that was even worse. Oh. Alright, how come you never fall? What's up with that?
Yeah, Tom.
Alright. I'll just throw you and stay up here, and then I'll just like jump off and do a move, alright?
Okay.
So, you know. Alright, ready? No, I'll just take one heat. I want you like that. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
1, 2, 3. That was sweet there. Do that to me, would you?
What?
Do that to me, would you?
Okay.
Wait, I want to get the rocks out of the way, because I've already landed on it once. Actually, twice.
Hold on, I want to do this move in my helmet.
Oh, I got sand in my eye. What's up with that? Dude, wait, just throw me, would you? One more. Do the thing that I did to you. No way. No, catch it. That's too many. Just throw me.
You get over there. I'm gonna swing you like this.
No, but Patrick, don't.
Run this way. Okay, right? Go.
Whoa! Oh!
You know, we should do the sled.
Ow. I really hurt my
It's okay, girl. We know.
my butt. I have soccer practice tonight. I'm not even gonna be able to move.
It's okay.
Just wait up, man. Wait, let me come
Hop
in.
in. Here's the idea. Yeah. Okay.
I'll do push-ups.
Oh my God.
Oh, that was awesome.
Let's do that again.
Yeah, sweet. Oh, they're taking like a picture of my butt.
You want me in front or you want me there?
I want to be in front this time.
Okay. Oh wait, get the string.
But I'm like smaller, so you're gonna. If you land on me, I'll like die.
Okay.
Okay.
So I should be in the front?
No, I want to be in the front. I just don't want to die.
Okay.
Why?
No, get in the front. I'll push off. Oh,
Whoa.
stop.
Oh! Oh! Oh, that hurt! How'd I do? I just want to go off once by myself with this.
Fine, then I want to go. I'll push you, I'll push you.
No, don't. Oh,
Yeah, I won't
fine,
give
fine.
you. I won't give you a big push.
Just enough to get us going. Oh! Oh!
Griffin, it's on. They're seeing what you're doing.
Oh, I got all dirty. Here.
What?
Got to shut it off.
Wait, no.
I already pressed it. Just go.
What? You did?
Yeah, just go.
Wait, actually, Griff, turn it off. Come here.
What? Come on,
Turn it
Patrick.
off.
Just
Here.
go. I don't want to turn it off.
You hit the red button.
Oh, okay. Which red button?
Griffin, come on.
Oh, okay. Patrick, don't worry. I'll catch you.
Okay, Griff.
Oh! That was definitely the best one. Okay, but I got kicked in the face. Ow. Oh.
Well, that's what was do that.
It's like the K. I can't see out of my eyes.
Well, you didn't get hit by a boat.
Nah, that was sharks, you stupid.
It was a boat.
No, he saw into the sun,
Okay.
which made him blind.
I'd believe you because I didn't read it. Okay, Griff.
We're going to be showing this in Mr. Richard. You're screwed.
Sorry, Mr. R. How can we go like that so you catch me like that?
No, I don't want it. Patrick, that hurt.
It hurts me too.
Patrick, you didn't get kicked in the face.
So?
Okay? Then you do it. You say, oh, Griffin, it's
Okay, fine. Don't worry, Griffin. I'll save you.
Yeah, bull. I don't believe that in a second.
Go
You
ahead.
better catch me like I catch you, all right? If you move.
Okay.
Oh, my knee! Patrick, you are horrible at that. My knee's just like snapped. Ah, you stupid.
I'll relax, Griff.
Oh, relax, my tush.
Mr. is just watching.
Yeah, he knows you didn't do your homework either. Don't put that picture on my butt again. Stop!
Griffin only lets John do that.
That's funny, Patrick.
I know.
Shut up. All right,
I'm gonna push him
no. How about I just, no, let's just do like tricks now. Here. I'm gonna go on this. I'm gonna do a trick.
Okay.
My body is so bruised right now. Ready?
Yeah. I'm gonna land on my head.
Oh, whoa!
Heads up!
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna do a tail
This
grab.
doesn't taste so good. Oh, all right, let's just go for like the worst falls, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna go for like a huge.
Ow. Oh God!
Patrick,
I
your
broke my
face.
wrist.
All right, I'm gonna go for the bigger, like, hurt fall.
Yeah.
My butt! Oh! That was awesome.
I don't want to test my butt. It's already but I'll do it. I'll beat you, Griff.
I'll do it again.
I'll do it again too. You go first.
Why me? I just did
Because
it.
my wrist still hurts.
Oh.
That was nothing.
Yeah, I know. That was like horrible.
No, that was so bad.
Nice one,
I didn't get a
Patrick.
jump there.
That was just pure skill.
I know. Go. Class A is waiting.
Oh, oh God.
I can land backwards too, you know.
Oh, my knee. Oh, I seriously hurt that.
You heard everything.
Oh, time out. Oh,
We'll have to beep that one out too.
oh, my knee. Oh, turn me off.
I want to die.
Oh, 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 that was kind of cool.
Yeah, whatever. Watch out, Griff.
Wait up. I always get dirt in my mouth. What's up with it?
Just move.
I have to go home in a minute. Patrick, your falls are horrible.
I know. Jumping horrible.
What are you talking about? What do you mean? I'm better than you. No. Oh, oh.
You stay right there.
No, you are not standing on top of me.
No. Hold on.
What are you doing? No, don't pause it. Come on, Pat.
No, I'm not gonna.
Don't. Check what time it is.
Okay.
While you're there, all right? Yep. Patrick's going to get a scooter just to let you know. Okay. We're gonna focus on landing right now. Okay, here we go. Patrick, what if I get hurt and nobody will help me? What if I get hurt and nobody will help me? He's my Superman. Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh, this is gonna be cool. Oh, God! Oh, that hurt. What? Patrick, what time is it? Oh, I gotta go. What? I have to go.